Namaste. Here with me, he's a Bhausaheb Kambale. He was suffering from a severe constipation and certain little other problems, health problems. He came to Anandkunj. He had so much of disgusting feeling or aversion for Shivambu therapy, but slowly after listening to the lectures, he started following urine therapy. And listen, now he is in love with the urine therapy. What we can say? Yes, you can. We will listen to him. Yeah.
Myself, B.S. Kambale here from Kolhapur. I am 69 years old. I joined this course in on 31st October 2020.
To 22.
And 22. Now I completed 10 days of this course. I really happy to note here that it is a very unique center which stress upon the Shivambu system of taking the Swamutra or Shivambu. And I was rather reluctant to take this Shivambu, and I think very bad. What is this system? Why the people are forcing me to take the urine and all these things? But later on, slowly and gradually, when I here followed or spent my some period here, then I realized that Shivambu is the only panacea to clear or to satisfy our total needs of our health.
Yes.
So it is a very healthy treatment, it is a very bright treatment, and it is a panacea for your delightful life.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.